Alright everyone, real quick announcement. I am doing my first official giveaway here on the channel. I'm going to be giving away a brand new set of iBox springs. That's going to be either the Pro Kit or the Sport line, whichever it is that you prefer to have on your car. All you need to do to enter to get the springs is, number one, just be subscribed to my channel. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, and then head over to the link I have in the description and pick yourself up a Trigger Society shirt. Every dollar spent counts as an entry. Shirt is $25, so that'll be 25 entries. Now, if you choose any other shirt on the website, so if you combine that shirt with any other shirt, it'll count as double entries. The giveaway goes till September 15th. Click the link, you get your chance to win a brand new set of iBox springs. Should be a slow-ass Mustang parked in that garage. Yep, there's one right there. Yo!
Made it?
How you doing?
Sweating balls?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Alright, so let's see what we got going on here.
Let's get the kiddos home and then I'm gonna explain you everything.
Just gotta take those off, man. Alright, so we are over here at Henry's. He is doing a VMP heat exchanger.
Right here, right here.
Oh.
It's a
Okay,
little bit
right behind
messy,
you. So he went with the VMP triple pass. I essentially had the same. I had the Shelby American on my GT500, and the only reason why I went with the Shelby American one is it says Shelby in an official stencil.
But it's only double pass. This is triple
Yeah,
pass.
the Shelby one is a dual pass. The VMP is a triple pass. I really don't know how much of a difference that'll make. It might cool things down a little bit more, but I just went with it because it said Shelby on it, and yeah, that's about it. So, and this, is that the factory one?
That's the stock one.
Look at that little thing. So we're going from this nasty thing, and it's thicker too. It's like twice as thick. That's what she said. And it's like 3 times as tall too. It's got the dual 11-inch fans, so that'll be nice. So what have you done so far? You
Pull the old one out, got the wiring in.
and you got the pump on there too?
Yeah, I just relocate the pump, and I'm trying to find a good angle for the holes not to bend them, so we're gonna have a good flow. So this one from the reservoir is gonna be kind of pain in the butt. It's tight fit over here, but I think I can make it work.
If you kink the hose a little bit, as long as you still get good flow through there, it'll be fine. Because mine had a small, not kink, but like a crease.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to avoid that. I want to have as much flow possible.
Is this the factory one?
Yeah.
Okay, so these do tend to go out every so often, so just be careful that it still flows. I do know that sometimes they can go out.
Yeah, then I'm gonna go with the upgraded one, but you know what, I was thinking about it, I should buy it now when I got the bumper off, but
yeah. Okay.
I didn't think about it.
Oh, I did bring beverages to help us keep us hydrated.
Oh, yeah.
Because it is super hot out, and it's really important to keep yourself hydrated while you're out working on a car. You know, so you keep the.
Hopefully it's Corona.
It's not Corona. It's Revolver. It's a local beer out of here in Texas. Have you tried it before? It's a Revolver?
I think so. It's IPA, right?
Yeah. So let me go get what I got. Here you go.
Hold on 1 second.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So the reason why he's doing the heat exchanger now, it's July and it's 100 plus every single day here in the summer, but we are going to HPP. He's hitting the dyno on Monday. So today is Saturday, so this will be the first half of the video. Then we're gonna pick this up back at HPP. He got a new tune through who?
I didn't get the tune.
Sorry, no, sorry. He's getting tuned by HPP. I forgot he's getting tuned. I I couldn't remember if he had a tune and he just thrown on the dyno to get a number, but he is in fact having it tuned at HPP, correct?
No, the car came with the garbage Bama tune.
Well, it has a Bama tune on it now, but
yeah, that's junk. I want to get rid of it.
Okay, so he's getting rid of his Bama tune. HPP is going to retune it themselves, and we'll get a good, accurate, better horsepower number than what he currently has with the Bama tune.
I need to keep up with those S550.
So he has a 2.4. No, sorry, is that 2.4? That's 2.5.
2.5.
He's got a 2.5 pulley. He has the intake, and for performance-wise, does he have the X pipe or H pipe?
I think it's X pipe.
And he has the X pipe. For mods, that's basically all he has currently right now. And then he's going to get tuned through HPP. With my GT500, I went from a VMP tune to a HPP tune. I gained, with the same mods going from VMP to HPP, I gained 40 rear wheel horsepower on 93 octane and 100 foot-pounds of torque.
Huh.
Good? Ah, we got it. So Henry here obviously has already done most of the work before I got here. So I just came for supply an extra hand and beer. So with the mods that he has, he's got the factory blower, the 2.5 pulley, the heat exchanger to avoid heat soak. My GT500 with that same setup on mine, I put down, I want to say 556. I put down 556. I'm going to say that you're probably going to be right around that range.
Yeah, but between 550 and 600.
I'd say between 550 and 560. Depending on how hot it is. I mean, your appointment's at what, 10? So it shouldn't be that hot at that time. It'll probably be in the 80s.
10:30.
Oh, it's at 10:30? Okay, so
this half an hour can mean a lot.
I'm going to say 555. One less horsepower than mine. We drinking them manly drinks. Henry requested a Truly because he doesn't like my IPAs. I'm not a big IPA guy either.
La Familia drinking Corona.
I'm out of Corona, so I got... Alright, Henry just slapped my ass. I don't know where this day is gonna go.
You on the fucking way, homie. You don't do any work and you on the way.
I'm drinking! What are you doing?
Working, bitch, that's the fucking install.
Which one is mine? I don't know which one is mine.
That's the one on the left, man.
Which one's the left? That side is left?
That's the left and that's the right. You the right.
Fuck it, I'll take this one.
Mine is left, motherfucker.
I don't know.
Close it.
Alright, so we got the bumper back on. Hose is connected. The wiring, it's plug and play. It's pretty straightforward. He's just tightening over there on this side. This side is done. We just got to put the radiator cover on. So we'll pick this video up on Monday at HPP. I'm not sure if Manny is tuning the car, if he's there. I'm assuming if he is there, he is going to tune his car. I'm going to go out and say with the factory blow, with the 2.5 pulley, I'm going to say 555. One less than what I put down before I switched over to a VMP blower. So we'll pick this up Monday at HPP. Alright, so Henry and I are here at HPP Racing, just outside of the Dallas area. They just pulled his GT500 here on the dyno. I believe they're going to do just a baseline pull and then fine tune it from there. So we got it. We just pulled it in right here. So we're getting it all strapped down. But let's take a look at what they got here. So they got quite the wide variety in this new Edge. Peek under the hood here, we got ourselves a on-3 Turbski on this guy. Nice little drag setup, wing. This guy likes to play around. And then you got this S197, another on-3 kit, and this guy. So, and then you got my beast right over there. So, get this thing on the dyno and see what it puts down. Like I said, I think his baseline pull, I'm going to say it's going to put down 512 to 520 before he fine tunes it and tweaks it. That's with the current Bama. And then, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb and say it's going to put down 555 once it's all said and done. One less than what I put down before I switched over to a VMP. All right, so we actually have Manny tuning the car. So Manny is the same guy who tuned my GT500 when I put down 705 to the wheels on 93. If anybody that's watching doesn't know who Manny is, Manny is competing in Street Outlaws Snow Prep Kings with his car Blue Angel. He's here right now. He'll be back on the show Street Outlaws Snow Prep Kings when the show kicks back up again in August. So he's actually in his car right now, and I wouldn't trust anybody else behind the wheel to tune my car. He does phenomenal work. Alright, so on that pole, just right there, put down 488. That's before any tweaks, any adjustments. That's with the Bama tune. So put down 488. So it is hot. That does play a factor in it. It's in the mid 90s currently right now. So that might do a little bit with what kind of number it puts down in the heat. 555 might be kind of hard in this heat, but hopefully it can get somewhat close to that. So 2 more poles and we'll see. Six, 543. 543? That pole there, significant jump, 543. So from 488 to 543. How much more do you think you can have out of it?
Maybe 550.
550?
Yeah. And actually bigged a little bit on the top end, so I'm actually pulling a degree now from the top end.
I guessed around 555 was my guess, because I'm basing it on what mine put down. I put down, before I did a VMP on mine, I put down 556. So
just right now is not the best weather for big numbers.
it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. So that's it right there. The first one, 488, 543. We're gonna hope to get 550 on this next one, so we'll see what he can get. That one went down a little bit, 536. Is that probably because it's getting hot? Yeah. Everything good?
Guys, perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, buddy.
Definitely we're gonna see each other next time.
Hell yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Drives really good. It should be like a stock car with more power.
Perfect.
If you had any drivability issues, I take care of it.
I just want to make sure it's, you know, that with this out of the box tunes, I don't trust them, you know what I mean?
No, airfield look really good.
Awesome.
It should feel stronger to you because you picked up power too.
I hope so. 60 horsepower.
Yep.
And we're really
So
happy.
544, is that what the last number was?
Yep.
Awesome.
What about the torque? The torque went up quite a bit.
526, I think it was.
Nice.
So went
And
quite a
it's
bit.
freaking terrible air right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, hot as hell.
We'll
too.
be back next time after whatever I'm gonna do next to the car.
Hell yeah.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Appreciate it, Manny, and I'll keep in contact with you about
Yes,
that
sir.
for sure.
For sure.
All right, so Manny was able to put down, we was at 543, then Henry and I went to lunch. They did a final pull after that while we were off at lunch, changed spark plugs. His final number, as you heard there, was 544. I guess 555, but it's so hot out, the air right now is terrible. So 544 for the conditions right now, not that bad. So on that note, I'm going to conclude this and close this one up. If you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor, hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. And as I always say, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.